Let's celebrate. Celebrate what? Naturally, freedom. Freedom from lockdown. And what's the icing on the cake? We can actually attend, yes, you heard me right, attend the races, not virtually, but physically. So, let's talk racewear today. For those of you who do not know me or you are joining me for the first time, I am Samita. I live in and work out of Melbourne, Australia. I have my own eco-gifts label called AoDA Eco Gifts Online. I am a sustainability champion. I promote the cause of sustainability and circular economy on several platforms. Join me. The first event in the Melbourne Cup races is Derby Day. Derby Day is on the Saturday preceding the actual Cup Day. Derby Day is formal, it's very structured, it's all about the neutrals, black, white or black and white. You can wear a black and white coat dress like this one and dress it up with a clutch bag. For instance, this black velour clutch bag embellished with diamantes and rhinestones. You could even carry a scarf. Trust me, you can need a scarf at the races. So it could be a solid black neutral scarf or maybe a pop of color. You know, you can have a little bit of roses, the red rose scarf. So you can tie it in a dead man's knot around your neck. Why would you need a scarf, you'd ask me? Trust me, if it's drizzling or raining and if you are not in the bird cage or if you've not been quick enough to grab one of those umbrellas, it gets freezing cold and you will definitely need a scarf. Or you could bring out your LBD or the little black dress and use this hand beaded clutch as an accent. For men, if you are not a big fan of black, you can go grey or charcoal, but that's about it. And then you can pair it up with these neutral ties. The best part about these ties, they are made out of vegan silk. So, if you are a vegan or a vegetarian, then these ties work very well for you. The main event is on Cup Day. Now, Cup Day is all about that luxe experience. So, a tailored dress made out of Dupion silk worn with a chantilly lace scarf and accessorized with a brocade bag. A brocade bag that gives you the hands-free option. So your hands are free for drinks and nibbles. Point to remember, racewear dress is not a cocktail dress. Racewear is about class and elegance. Men can wear a flamboyant blazer, team it up with a printed shirt, pocket squares and accessorize with a pair of tan Florsheim shoes. The third event is Oaks Day on the Thursday following the Cup Day. So, Oaks Day is about florals, femininity, lace, sorbet colors. I wore this exact outfit on Oaks Day. A floral bolero teamed with a lace skirt, lace stockings and velour boots. And men, let's come to men a little later. Men too can be a little relaxed on Oaks Day. Morning suits in pastel colors worn with floral ties and floral lapel pins. The last event on the Melbourne Cup calendar is Stakes Day. Now Stakes Day is a relaxed affair. It's a family event. So bring out everything that's fluid and free flowing in your wardrobe. Have your mini-me's with you. Stakes Day is about fun and games, fairy tales and candy floss. Men can switch to a more relaxed, a more casual linen or cotton blazer and swap the tie for a scarf. Replace the tie with a scarf. But for God's sake, do not rock up in a pair of board shorts. Trust me, I have seen it happening. It's been about a year since we started Learn with Samita, DIDA's YouTube channel. And in this past 1 year, we have grown exponentially. And who do we have to thank for that? You, DIDA's likers and subscribers. So keep your likes, shares and comments coming. And if you want us to cover a particular topic, mention in the comments below. Till next time, see you then. This is Samita signing off.